In this video, I am going to show you how to log in and set up IPTV Smarters Pro easily and quickly. First, launch the IPTV Smarters Pro app on your device. If this is your first time using the app, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. To begin the setup, click on Login with Extreme Codes API or choose Login with your provider. If you have chosen the Extreme Codes API option, enter your username, password, and the server URL provided by your IPTV service provider. Make sure all the details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering the information, click the Add User button. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main interface of the app, where you can browse through the available channels, movies, and series. You can customize your experience by adding additional playlists or setting up the EPG, Electronic Program Guide, if supported by your provider. Now you're all set to enjoy your favorite IPTV content seamlessly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.